Hello friends, I am Asif Khan, and if you suddenly started to listen the whistling sound, the buzzing sound, the hissing sound, the clicking sound in your ears, and you are get frightened and you are afraid, what is happening with me? So it can create an enormous amount of stress and pressure and anxiety upon you. And it is very difficult to understand it at start that what is this thing. You may go to the doctor and doctor will check you and he will say, you are okay from me. You have no problem. You are okay. But you are not okay. You are constantly listening this sound again and again, and there is nobody in the world which can cure you with these medicines. And I was suffered also from this thing, and it is very difficult at the start to control your emotions. But I want to tell you a good news that this tinnitus ringing in the air, this can effectively be stopped or reduced to the minimum level that it cannot interfere in your daily life. And my tinnitus was also reduced up to 90% in the first month. Now it is very little, 5%. And I am living my life healthy as I was living before the tinnitus. So I made this channel so told I can tell all the persons who are suffering from tinnitus that what are the methods so you can effectively control your tinnitus. There are few methods like brain training method or habituation. Some will say it tinnitus retraining therapy. And this is totally a mind game. Your brain can produce the tinnitus sound unexpectedly, and your brain may be unable to stop it at start. But there are ways your brain can learn to control it, your brain can learn to reduce the sound. And this is called the brain training method, which I used to say it. And some people will say it habituation or tinnitus retraining therapy. And there are also few other tips which I will give you in this channel. So you check all those videos on my channel and subscribe to it and share it with other friends who are suffering from tinnitus, and I think it will help you and other people, and this is my mission. So thank you very much and see you in the next videos.